Hair loss has always been a tormenting problem to half of the world's population, including both men and women. But ICHIKAMI laser hair growth system has proven to be the best hair care therapy above all. ICHIKAMI laser hair growth system is a 6-in-1 process which constitutes hair analyzer, which analyzes and tests your hair condition, oxygen jet spray gun, which gives your scalp a deep moisturizing, increases its water content, activates hair follicles, promotes regeneration of skin collagen, and increases oxygen in the scalp. High-frequency electrotherapy provides sterilization, treat hair follicle cavities and inflammation, promote the hair follicular scalp wound healing, and improves the regeneration of hair follicle cells. And ozone comb provides an effect of calm and massage on the scalp. Ionization activation instrument helps in improvising the synthesis of collagen, strengthen the elasticity of the scalp, clear toxin metabolism, eliminate fatigue, and restore scalp health. Laser hair restoration is the main mechanism, which is hypothesized to be stimulation of epidermal stem cells in the hair follicle bulge and shifting the follicles into anagen phase. We here at Reforms have come up with the latest technologies and machines, which gives the ultimate solution with great results and happy patients. Visit www.myreforms.com. Reforms, Aesthetic and Weight Loss Equipments.